What is up, my guys? Today I'm making a video here. I decided to the beats. The minions were so solid. And then when Charlie tried steal the crown again, once the bad guy was, and guys can see my score. I became better at this game. Sometimes it tries to lag me out, but it tries to stop, and it don't happen. It's just me. It's happening to you guys. So guys, we're going on a high score hunt. My biggest one, top run. I became the top of silver, bounty or gold. Gold is over 800,000. I beat all my Facebook friends. I only have Facebook so I could get the money from Subway Surfers. What the hell? Lucky? Oh, well, that was a mistake. I didn't mean to use a keyboard, a skateboard. I only have one goal. So guys, if I don't do that good, don't blame me, because I only chose one. I trying to save up to get the Daredevil, cause I don't want the bouncer no more. Daredevil speeding. And that's the best. Daredevil probably no play. This way you can switch settings. Like your country next year again. Next week. Next week I could be in Canada. I think I have Canada set for next week. Yeah, Canada. I'll see how Canada. I don't. I'll be burning in the face. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. So guys, don't be haters now, don't be haters.